Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Earnest with Loreen to taste the sweetness of English language. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe by clicking the bell icon below to be updated on the latest videos. So here we go to start our lesson today. Our lesson is about be verbs as full verbs. Unlike action verbs, be verbs depict a state of being or existence. They inform us on the conditions of people, places, things, animals, or ideas. Moreover, if I make this definition simpler, be verbs tell us about the characteristics, qualities, emotions, age, profession, nationality, etc. of the subject they describe. Let's now have a quick look on the be verbs and their functions now. Be, bare infinitive. Am, is, are, present tense. Was, were, past tense. Will or shall plus be, future tense. Being, been, present participle. Be-double-en been, past participle. Yes, I want to tell you that in this video, I'm going to talk about only on be infinitive and am, is, are. The rest of the be family is taught in other videos in detail separately. So don't worry about that, and remember, this is the place you taste the sweetness of English language. Let's note the examples of be, bare infinitive in imperative mode, which gives commands or makes requests. Be confident, be thoughtful, be kind, be generous, be honest, be a humble human being. Be good citizens. Be a good child. Be good children. In these sentences, with the help of adjectives and nouns, be, bare infinitive tells us what is expected to be done by a person. I hope you have understood well this explanation on be, bare infinitive in imperative mode. Let's start to talk about present be verbs. Am, is, are now. We use the be form am with the pronoun I only. Examples are I'm good, I'm a teacher, I'm tired, I'm sad, I'm happy, I'm hungry, I'm a girl, I'm a boy. When we talk about be verbs, is and are, there's something important to remember. Number one, you need to check whether the subject is singular or plural. Number two, if the subject is singular, you need to keep the be verb is, and if the subject is plural, you need to keep the be verb are. It's very simple. Examples. She is a teacher. They are teachers. My friend is kind. My friends are kind. Mother is loving. Mothers are loving. In all these sentences, you see that the subject agrees with the verb. Don't forget, here the verb is a be verb. So we have come to the end of today's video, and I hope you have gained some knowledge on be verbs as full verbs. Thanks for watching. Make sure hit subscribe down there to the channel Earnest with Loreen to taste the sweetness of English language. See you later. Bye.